Hi, Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Dr. Najib Mohammed. Today, we are going to present about our project in engineering economy. Our project title is a construction of a new public library in a small town. My group member is me, Muhammad Hafiz Izam bin Muhammad Sulong. Then we have Muhammad Syafiq Tekon, Faris Daniel, Mio Muhammad Koyum, Muhammad Arif Iskandar, and myself lah. For our introduction, we want to create a new public library by calculating the costing for all construction. For example, with the cost that we have, how much we can pay for the workers, the interior design, the building tax, and for the land. This will help us to learn more about the costing, pros and cons for our project, just to show is it worth it or not to create this kind of project for our cost. So for our project objective, first we want to increase access to book and other resource. A new library would provide residents with increased access to book, magazine, newspaper and other resource. This will help to promote literacy and learning in community. Second, increase opportunity for education and lifelong learning. A new library will provide residents with increased opportunity for education and lifelong learning. The library could offer a variety of programs and services such as story time for children, computer class for adults and book club. Third, enhance sense of community and civic pride. A new library would enhance the sense of community and civic pride in the town. The library would be a place where people could come together to learn, socialize and connect with their neighbor. And for the last one, economic benefit. A new library could bring economic benefit to the town. The library could attract new business and residents to the area. It could also generate revenue through book sale and coffee shop sale and other activities. That's all for me. We will continue to our next member.
Okay, my name is Shafiq. I will present about the methodology for my team project. Firstly is we need assessment such as we need to understand the community requirement, demography and preference. We also need to identify the current library facilities, the limitation for making the library and gaps in service. We also need to gather an input from community members, local organisation, stakeholder through survey, public meeting and focus group. Secondly is our project planning. To create a project planning, we need a team consisting of architect, engineer, librarians and other relevant professionals. We also need to define the project scope, objective and budget. Thirdly is the design and development. We consider factors such as space utilization, energy efficiency, accessibility technology, integration and future expansion. Such as we need to know what type of lamp we need to use and how many lamp we want to put inside the library and how many table that we want to use in the library also. Fourth is the construction. So the construction is monitor construction progress regularly, ensuring adherence to quality standard and safety protocol. So in this case, we need to know the safety for the workers that want to do their job at the construction site, and they need to know the protocols and safety for give them awareness while doing the work. For 5 is the interior finishing and equipment. Interior finishing and equipment is the furniture, shelving, technology, infrastructure and other necessary equipment for the library that we want to put for the people that want to use the library while doing their work, or they want to do some research and something like that. So 6 is the staff fees and training. So For the staffing and training, we need to recruit and hire the qualified staff members, librarian, assistant, and other support personnel, so that they can know how to manage their work at the library, and keep the library still progress for the student or people that want to use the library. So 7 is the promotion and outreach. For promotion outreach, we need to develop marketing and create awareness about the new library that we want to make, so that they know that we promote the library, to give them come to our library and do some event or celebrate, and invited the community member to explore the new facility. Lastly, the evaluation and feedback. The evaluation and feedback is we need to know from the people and the customer that use the library, so that we can know how to improve and identify the necessary things, such as computer or books that they want to do the research, but we don't have at the library. So with the feedback, we can know what type of book we want to put, and what type of improvement that we can do. That's for my part, and I will go to our next members.
My name is Muhammad Arif Iskandar bin Zaidi. So I want to present about pros and cons our project. So benefits and disbenefit cost. We get the total value of the benefit is estimated to be $15 million, and then the total value of the disbenefits is estimated to be $5 million. The net benefit of the project is therefore $10 million. So the project benefits, we increase access to books and others resources for residents of the town. Number 2, increase opportunities for education and lifelong learning. And third, enhance sense of community and civic pride. And lastly, economic benefits such as increased retail sales and job creation. Another pros and cons our project is cost value. So the total cost of the project is estimated to be $10 million. So our project benefit construction, noise and disruption, temporary loss of parking space, and increased traffic congestion. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Farsinina bin Zulkifli. My matric card number is CN022015. So I will present about estimated total cost 10 million project for Group 7, Section 1. So the first one is land acquisition, 1 to 2 million, 10 to 20% of the budget. Architectural and design fee, 500,000 to 1 million, 5 to 10% of the budget. Construction cost, 6 to 7 million, 60 to 70 of the budget. Site preparation and infrastructure, 500,000 to 1 million, 5 to 10 of the budget. Interior furnishing and equipment, 500,000 to 1 million, and 5 to 10% of the budget. Permit and legal fees is 100,000 to 200,000, 1 to 2% of the budget. Contingency fund, 1 to 1.5 million, 10 to 15 of the budget. Professional service, 100 to 200,000, 1 to 2% of the budget. Technology and IT infrastructure, 500,000, 5% of the budget. Marketing and promotion is 100,000, 1% of the budget. So that's all for me for the estimated total cost 10 million project. Thank you.
In summary, the construction of a new public library in a small town are a worldwide endeavor that brings numerous benefits to the community. It promotes education, fosters community engagement, bridges the digital divide, and contributes to the town's economic development. The library will serve as a vibrant and inclusive space that enriches the lives of residents, strengthens social connection, and creates opportunities for personal and intellectual growth.